This Origami Ninja star spins in two different ways. Today I'll show you how to make this double Origami Ninja star using only 4 square papers. And at the end I'll show you the spinning trick. Let's start. Take 4 square sheets of paper. Fold the paper in half.
Make sure edges align perfectly. Now this fold is important. This is where most people make a mistake.
In a moment, I'll show you how to spin it like this. Now you can spin your Origami Ninja star in two ways.